Xpeng AeroHT debuted in Guangzhou its innovative modular flying car, the Land Aircraft Carrier, on September 3, 2024. The event offered a window into the future of flying automobiles by including a live exhibition of the first flight of the air module. Xiao Deli, the founder of Xpeng, discussed the company's path, goals, and approach to product development. With pre-sales scheduled for the year's end, this creative vehicle is poised to make its first public manned flight at the China Air Show in Zhuhai this November, and then show at Guangzhou International Auto Show. The introduction emphasizes Xpeng's aspirations for sophisticated urban mobility. Imagine converting footsteps into power. These creative floor tiles enable that reality. The tiles gather mechanical energy from footfall using piezoelectric technology and translate it into electricity. Little quantities of energy produced by each step could run lighting, signage, or even help with building energy demands. This device uses daily human movement to generate clean energy, so providing an innovative, sustainable alternative. Perfect for busy areas like offices, train stations. These tiles can significantly help to lower reliance on conventional energy sources, therefore improving the state of the Earth one small step at a time. Innovative quartz glass technology in Microsoft's Project Silica is transforming long-term data storage. This research makes use of the special qualities of quartz to produce an electromagnetic field-proof storage media able of tens of thousands of years data preservation. Silica Glass can retain up to 7 terabytes each piece, equivalent to 1.75 million music or 3,500 movies, while conventional magnetic storage degrades over time. This affordable, environmentally responsible fix meets the rising demand for robust data preservation. Microsoft's approach via Project Silica not only lessens environmental effect, but also presents a novel solution for data security for next generations. Built for big-scale precision printing, the Orange Storm Giga is a potent 3D printer. Possessed of designing complex and robustly, it uses modern 3D printing technology to provide great speed and accuracy. Where sophisticated prototypes and components are crucial, this flexible machine fits sectors including automotive, aerospace, and product design. It is flexible in meeting different manufacturing requirements since it accommodates a broad spectrum of materials. Professionals wishing to push the envelope of 3D manufacturing will find the Orange Storm Giga, with its extensive features and easy-to-use interface, a top choice since it can easily realize ambitious design ideas. Modern joint effort between Naver Labs and Korea University of Technology and Education results in the Ambidex Robot. With lightweight cable-driven mechanisms, this sophisticated robotic arm is quite nimble at just 2.6 kilograms, much less than a human arm. Thanks to its improved object awareness and long reach, it can do a variety of chores such independently peeling vegetables or catching flying objects. Acting as the hand of the robot, the BLT gripper adjusts its hold to effectively handle various things. Ambidex redefines collaborative robots by stressing imitation of physical intelligence, therefore transforming sectors spanning from industrial to service sectors. Starport Mars sees a futuristic Martian community for interplanetary transportation and life. Its vertical construction has research centers buried below, a docking port above, and dwelling quarters sandwiched between. As terraforming advances, Mars becomes more accessible. Space elevators link various regions and enable frequent transit. Designed for self-sufficiency, several Starport facilities can link to create a bigger network. Key technologies include nuclear fusion, space farming, and 3D printing robots are bringing the fantasy of human living on Mars to pass. Designed to probe cosmic occurrences including black holes and neutron stars, NinjaSat X-Ray is a 6U CubeSat. Constructed by Mitsui Bussan Aerospace, Riken, and Nano Avionics, this little satellite shines in following fleeting space events. NinjaSat provides high-cadence monitoring, which is essential for all sky surveys, even if its small size relative to conventional telescopes. From brilliant cosmic sources, it gathers X-ray photons to provide exact observations and profound insights. This project offers flexible and thorough study of the enigmatic universe outside Earth's atmosphere, therefore complementing more major telescopes. Offering a 155-degree field of view with a 12-megapixel 4K camera for breathtaking lifelike footage, the DJI Avatar 2, the modern first-person view FPV drone. Its integrated propeller guards and sophisticated positioning sensors guarantee safe running even under difficult circumstances. Perfect for long aerial investigations, its flight time is up to 23 minutes on a single battery. Users of compatible DJI RC Motion 3 and DJI Goggles 3 appreciate an immersive, easy control experience. Among FPV drones, the DJI Avatar 2 distinguishes itself for performance and durability, since it offers exciting and user-friendly aerial adventures for all skill levels. Imagine a futuristic transportation system whereby two-wheeled, gyroscope-balanced cars effectively negotiate metropolitan environments. These raised, Euro-stabilized pods use little road space yet above normal traffic, therefore easing congestion. They provide a quick, safe, and flawless means of transportation for crowded cities by gliding gently down designated paths. These pods change urban travel by combining sustainability with invention without the demand for railroads or tracks. This system offers a sleek, modern substitute for city travel, therefore optimizing daily commutes and environmental impact. It promises lower emissions and gridlock. The autonomous mobility vision of Citroën rewrites urban transportation using modular electric solutions. Fundamentally, the Citroën Skate is a self-driving electric platform capable of turning into several pods, including a shuttle, lounge, or mobile cafe. Operating with Level 5 autonomy, the Skate guarantees seamless and effective travel by running free from human intervention. Though pricing specifics have not been revealed, with an eye toward adaptability and environmentally sustainable transportation, Citroën's ideas provide a window into a time when driverless cars will fit every kind of urban demand. First displayed at the Geneva Motor Show, Goodyear's Eagle 360. Urban concept challenges tire technology. This spherical tire rides smoothly, omnidirectionally by magnetic levitation. Having sensor-rich bionic skin, it real-time adapts to road circumstances. Thanks to electrically driven actuators, the surface of the tire can generate dimples for wet roads or smooth out for dry ones. This invention provides a glimpse of a time when artificial intelligence-driven tires would make driving more flexible and efficient, therefore improving both safety and performance. This is a futuristic turn in smart linked transportation. Hyundai uses robotics to increase human touch outside of conventional transportation, revealing its future vision at CES 2022 with Hyundai X. This imaginative method combines the real and virtual worlds, including the metaverse, to bring advanced mobility to daily life. Hyundai's robotics integration leadership was highlighted in the presentation despite no product pricing. Hyundai was at the forefront of tech-driven transformation as the exhibition highlighted their aim to develop a future with easier access to information and services through increased connection and mobility solutions. The futuristic Renault Float concept car has cutting-edge design and technology. Spherical shape allows easy movement in every direction. Color and transparency can change the exterior of this translucent polymer. Comfort and communication are prioritized in the spacious cabin, which may be customized. Using advanced sensors and AI, the Float ensures safe and fast autonomous driving. Renault's Float concept imagines a world when urban mobility prioritizes user experience, adaptability, and environmental awareness, combining technology and modern design. Aimed at revolutionizing urban mobility, the Continental Bee is a concept for an autonomous automobile. Perfect for easy, environmentally friendly mobility in smart cities, it shines on short-distance trips. With sophisticated sensors, artificial intelligence, and real-time data processing, the Bee negotiates city streets, avoiding hazards and guaranteeing safety free from human direction. Its small form makes it perfect for congested environments, and its electric drive reduces pollution. Representing the direction of smart transportation, the B provides a fresh approach for contemporary urban problems by stressing sustainability, safety, and creativity. Using innovative pneumatic technology to move recyclables and rubbish up to 4 kilometers from the collection point through linked pipelines, the Metro Taifun transforms waste management, eliminating the need for conventional garbage trucks and thereby lowering related pollutants. This system services residential neighborhoods, healthcare facilities, and commercial districts. This guarantees a better, more effective solution and presents a contemporary method of garbage disposal. Already used in more than 40 nations, this idea sets a new benchmark for urban trash management since it makes rubbish collecting quieter, more sustainable, and environmentally beneficial. Combining the speed of air flight with the ease of train travel, AKKA Technologies' flying train, also referred to as the Link and Fly concept, fits the modular passenger pod in this futuristic car, moves between land and air travel with ease. Designed to separate from the wings and cockpit, the pod may run along rail tracks, then reattached for takeoff once it approaches an airport. This creative layout minimizes transfers, therefore lowering the demand for several cars. The idea redefines passenger travel and presents a better, more quick experience. Aiming for a new era of flawless travel, AKKA's flying train sets a bold precedent in multimodal mobility. HAVOC Habitat, NASA's first inflatable unit, is for long-term Mars exploration. In Mars's harsh surroundings, this inventive housing provides oxygen, water, and food to astronauts. Advanced communication, exploratory mobility, and radiation protection imitate Mars residents' lives. Its inflatable architecture makes it appropriate for long-term red planet habitation due to easy delivery and setup. A crucial part of NASA's plans to bring people to Mars, HAVOC marks a first step toward permanent human presence. Development of a novel underwater habitat promises modular dwellings and research labs undersea by 2027. Designed by Deep, lets researchers reside underwater for up to 28 days at depths up to 200 meters. With sophisticated research tools, the habitat lets one investigate continental shelves and oceanic ecosystems for longer distances. Adaptability provided by the modular architecture helps both temporary and semi-permanent missions. This invention could transform marine science. Which technology in this video do you like the most? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching.